Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This set from CAT 2019 slot to DILR says that there are three doctors, Ben, Kane and Wayne. They visit a particular clinic Monday to Saturday to see patients. Dr. Ben sees each patient for 10 minutes and charges rupees 100. So Ben charges 100 rupees for 10 minutes. Kane sees for 15 minutes and charges 200. And Wayne sees for 25 minutes and charges 300. The clinic has three rooms numbered 1, 2, 3, which are assigned to the three doctors as per the following table. So we are given the table on which day which doctor sits in which room. The clinic is open from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. every Monday to Saturday. On arrival, each patient is handed a number token indicating their position in the queue, starting with token number 1 every day. So it starts with token number 1 every day. As soon as any doctor becomes free, the next patient in the queue enters that emptied room for consultation. If at any time more than one room is free, then the waiting patient enters the room with the smallest number. So you have to enter the smallest number. For example, if the next two patients in the queue have token numbers 7 and 8 and room numbers 1 and 3 are free, so 7 will enter room number 1 and 8 token number 8 will enter room number 3 irrespective of the doctor. Okay, so this whenever there are more than one room free, so they will enter the room irrespective of the doctor but based on the room number. So based on this we need to answer the questions. The first question is, what is the maximum number of patients that the clinic can cater to on any single day? Now if you notice it, on every day the time duration is same, which is 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So 2.5 hours, that is equal to 150 minutes. Now they will see the maximum number of patients when it is fully occupied. Now Ben sees a patient in 10 minutes. So in 150 minutes, he can see 15 patients. If you look at Kane, Kane sees per patient for 15 minutes. So he can see 10 patients in a day. And Wayne can see patients for 25 minutes, so he can see maximum 6 patients in a day. So the maximum number of patients that can visit a hospital on a day is 31. The queue is never empty on any particular Saturday. Which of the three doctors would earn the maximum amount in consultation charges on that day? Okay, maximum amount. Now the question is asking who is earning the maximum amount. It is not asking what is that amount. Okay, so you do not need to calculate the amount. Just see the rate of earning. Who has the highest earning rate will earn the maximum amount because the time is same duration. So the rate of earning you need to calculate, no need to calculate the amount. So if you look at Ben, Ben charges 10 rupees per minute. Kane is charging 200 for 15 minutes, that is 13.33. And Wayne is 300 for 25 minutes, that is 12 rupees per minute. So highest is of Kane. So Dr. Kane will earn the highest amount. No need to calculate the amount unless it is asking what is the highest amount collected. Next question. Mr. Singh visited the clinic on Monday, Wednesday and Friday of a particular week, arriving at 8:50 a.m. on each of the 3 days. His token number was 13 on all days. On which day was he at the clinic for the maximum duration? Okay. So in this question, we are given that he arrives on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, arriving at 8:50 a.m. So the clinic opens at 9 a.m. Okay. So 9 a.m. all three rooms will be open. So first of all, we will find his entry time. Okay, on each day, and then that will give us the time he spent on each of the days, and we will find out on which day he spent the maximum time. So at 9 a.m. the clinic opens. So first three people will go to 1, 2 and 3. So we have token number 1, 2, 3. visiting, right? So let's not worry about who is Ben, Kane, when. Just think that at 9 a.m. three people will enter, because on different days they will enter different rooms. Now Ben finishes in 10 minutes. We are given that Ben finishes in 10 minutes, Kane in 15 minutes, and Wayne in 25 minutes. So Ben finishes at 10, so 9:10 token number 4 will enter. At 9:15 token number 5 will enter when Kane finishes. At 9:20 token number 6 will enter to Ben. Like these are to any order. Okay. Now this person will enter and to come to Ben, right? This will go to Kane, okay, and this will go to Ben. At 20 Ben will finish. At 25 again Wayne will finish, so token number 7 will enter to Wayne, okay. Now then we have at 30 both Ben and Kane will finish, okay. So we have token number 8 and 9 entering Ben and Kane, in which order depending on the room number, okay. So that we need not worry about. We first need to find his entry time. At 30, at 40, again Ben will finish. So token number 10 will enter. At 45, we have Kane finishing. So token number 11 enters. Now at 50, we will have both Ben, because 50 is a multiple of 10 and is a multiple of 25 also. So both Ben and Wayne will be free. Now we will have to find out that who will this token number 13 visit. So both Ben and Wayne will be free. Okay. Now this person has token number 13. So on first day, like Monday, we need to find on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we figured out that he enters at 9:50 a.m. and there is another person, token number 12 also enters. Now, if token number 12 also enters, he will take the later room. So on this day, Ben and Wayne are free. Okay. So this person has to visit Wayne. Because Ben and Wayne, the token number 12 will enter here and token number 13 will enter here. Now second day, Wednesday, Wayne and Ben are free. So token number 12 will enter here. Token number 13 enters here. Wayne and Ben are free, token number 12 and token number 13. So on Friday he is entering Ben, on Wednesday he is entering Ben, and on Monday he is going to Wayne. Now the question is asking on which day he was at the clinic for the maximum duration. See, entry time is same, exit time is different. So exit time will be the highest in case of Wayne, because Wayne sees for 25 minutes. So he will be on the in the clinic for the maximum duration on Monday. Next question. On a slow Thursday, only two patients were waiting at 9 a.m. After that, two patients keep arriving exactly at exact 15-minute intervals starting at 9:15 a.m. That is 9:15 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 9:45 a.m., etc. Then the total duration in minutes when all three doctors are simultaneously free is. Okay. So we will make a timeline first at 9 a.m. Okay. Then 9:15, 9:30, and figure out the cyclicity. 9:45, 10, 10:15, and so on, right? Now the day is Thursday. So Thursday what will happen? First two patients will go to Wayne and Ben, because there are two patients at 9 a.m. So first patient is going to Wayne and another is going to Ben, right? So Ben will be free by this time, but Wayne is occupied till 9:25. Now next two patients enter at 9:15 a.m. So two patients enter. When two patients enter, right, Wayne is occupied, so they cannot go to Wayne. So first person will go to Ben, right, because Ben is free by 9:10, and next will go to Kane. So they will go to Ben and Kane. Okay. Now two patients will enter at 9:30. Now Wayne is free by 9:25. So the next two patients that enter first will go to Wayne. By 9:25, Wayne is also again free. So next patient goes to Ben. And Kane will not, the patient will not go to Kane, although Kane will be free by this time, but first two will be taken. Okay. Next, at 9:30 to 9:45, again two patients enter. Vein is occupied. So first patient will go to Ben, second will go to Kane. At 10, first person will go to Vein because Vein will be free by then and Ben will be free. So like this, we will see the cyclicity that alternately people are going to Vein and Ben and Ben and Kane. Now the question is asking that the total duration when all three doctors are simultaneously free. So let us see if all three are simultaneously free. 9 to 9:15 they are not simultaneously free. Vein is occupied. Okay. 9:15 to 9:30 till 9:25 vein is occupied and Kane is occupied from 9:15 to 9:30. If you see 9:15 he starts, right, and Kane takes 15 minutes, so Kane is occupied till 9:30, so not possible, no time in this gap. Now 9:30 onwards again 9:45, all three are not free because Vane is occupied, and 9:45 to 10 again Kane is occupied. So even if Vane is getting free, Kane is occupied. Similarly at 10 they will again be occupied till 10:15. So we will not find any time slot when all three doctors are simultaneously free. So the answer is 0 minutes.